For best growth of Dimorphotheca or African daisy plant, you not only need fertilizer but also you have to take care of basic needs of the plant, that is soil, sunlight and water requirement, etc. In this video I have shared all the things, so in order to get best results please watch the video till the end, and if you like the video please do like and subscribe to my channel and share your views in comment section. African daisy is also known as Dimorphotheca or Cape daisy or Cape marigold. In India, it is grown as winter plant. It comes in white and purple color. You can grow them easily from seeds in the month of October, or you can purchase seedlings or plants from nearby nurseries. For best growth of our plant, we have to make sure that roots of our plant will grow well. For best growth of roots, we have to make our soil soft, well drained and fertile. Sand will make your soil soft and well drained, and compost will make it fertile. So use this soil mix I am going to share. Use 50% garden soil, 30% vermicompost and 20% sand. Or if you have cow dung manure, then use 40% garden soil, 40% cow dung compost and 20% sand. For best growth of our plant, we have to provide them fertilizer. They can't survive only on water. So after 5 days of transplanting your seedlings, add 3 to 4 granules of DAP to fasten the growth of your plant. And you can use mustard cake liquid fertilizer after interval of 10 days, means 3 times in a month when your plants are well established. You can also add a handful of compost in 20 to 25 days. If you want maximum number of flowers, then you have to provide sunlight to your plant according to their requirement. African daisy, as they are native to Africa, they are sun-loving plant. So you have to choose a location which receives maximum amount of sunlight. Make sure they get at least 6 hours full sunlight every day, but when temperature starts increasing, keep this plant where it will get morning sunlight till 12 pm. For example, in northwestern India, in March month, you can shift these plants to where it will receive 3 to 4 hours of morning sunlight. African daisies are drought resistant plants. Don't add too much water, only water your plants when the upper layer of soil feels dry to touch, but don't let the soil to dry too much. Early morning is the best time for watering. Water deeply at the base of the plant. Don't add water on the foliage as it will attract fungus and other disease. Spray 2 grams fungicide powder mixed in 1 liter of water after 10 to 15 days to save your plant from fungus, and apply solution of 5 to 6 drops of neem oil and 4 to 5 drops of liquid hand wash mixed in 1 liter of water after 7 days to save your plants from any kind of insects and pests. You can also spray garlic and neem boiled water. And 2 special tips: always remove infected and dried leaves and remove all the leaves which touch the soil. Guys, growth of your plants also depend upon the selection of your pot. So always use 7 to 8 inches pot for your plant. But if you have bigger pots like 10 to 12 inches, so you can grow 2 to 3 plants in one pot. And always use terracotta pots because they provide aeration to the soil and roots of your plant. If you don't have them, you can also use cemented pots, but try to avoid plastic pots because soil will take longer to dry out in plastic pots, because plastic is not an absorbent or breathable material. So guys, now I am going to share some special tips for more flowering on your African daisy or Dimorphotheca plants. So do deadheading. Please remove spent blooms so your plant can focus more on blooming. If you don't remove, then the plant will use the energy in making seeds and you will get very less number of flowers. And guys, if you can do, please remove first 3 to 4 buds of your plant, and so then your plant will make side branches and you will get more number of flowers later on. So guys, this is all about how to grow and care African daisies or Dimorphotheca plant. If you find this video useful, then please like the video and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. If you have any query, then please write down below in the comment section. So thank you so much guys for watching my video and giving your precious time. Stay safe, stay healthy, and keep doing great things